Greetings, I am Professor Prez, and I'm taking a moment out to invite you to my credit score education, credit repair information teleconference calls, held each and every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. How to access these calls? You just dial 805-360-1000, followed by the PIN. 274-927#. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that access number is 805-360-1000, followed by the PIN. 274-927#. On these calls, you will learn what are personal credit scores, how are they calculated, where do they come from, also, what are they used for? Then, in the event that either yourself or you may know someone who has less than perfect credit and needs assistance in overcoming these hurdles, I will introduce a program to you, which you can check out the details of at www.united-credit.org. Once again, that is www.united-credit.org. That is my credit repair program. I will provide the details of it on the call so that you can get the credit that you finally deserve. So please join me, Professor Prez, on my credit score education, credit repair informational teleconference calls. In the event that you want to reach me prior to the calls, you can do so by dialing 888-892-3902. There it is right there, folks. 888-892-3902. And you can reach me, Professor Prez. I'll see you on my calls on Thursday evenings, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's time to get to class.